So guys, if you have difficulties keeping track of the tasks that you have to do, then this video is for you. In this video I am going to show you a very useful extension. It is quite basic and it would help you a lot in your official work as well as your own personal work. So this solution would be for the people that are already using Google Chrome, and the extension that I am going to show you in this video will integrate into your new tabs. So that way whenever you open your new tabs, you have a record of the tasks that you had to do and those that are still left pending. So let me just show you what exactly I am talking about. So you'd have to go to the Chrome Web Store, and once inside the Chrome Web Store you'll have to search for the Dwidge new tab. Now this would give you this search result and you'll have to click on it, and this is the Chrome extension that I am talking about. So before we could start using it, you'd have to add to your Chrome and it would ask some permissions which you can give. And now the Dwidge new tab has been added to our Chrome. So now you'll have to open up your new page. Now this is the interface of this extension. So I found the interface of this extension to be quite useful in my daily routine working. You could add new tasks over here. You can also take notes. And if you want to make separate dashboards for your personal or official tasks, you can do that easily by dragging this widget over here. So it would add a to-do list over here. And if you want to take notes, personal notes, it could add this one over here. So you could add the respective tasks in your different tabs. So you can see that once you have made a task over here, it's quite simple. Let me just show you right here. So this is the task that I have made, and I could give it a rating of medium, low or high priority. So if it is my high priority, it would be in red, medium it would be in blue, and if it is a low priority task, it would be in green. Now let me just show you its most beneficial feature. So if you are working in an office environment and you want to keep a track of everything that you have done, so you would have to just come over here. I have populated this list with some tasks, and you would have to click on the print tasks. So once you click on that, it would give you a page where you can print your task and it would show their priority and when you started working on it and when you completed them. And another thing is that you can copy these tasks and you can also put it in an Excel sheet. Let me just show you how that could be done.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So while I was opening the Excel sheet, I came up with an even better idea, that why not just copy and paste what you have done into your Google Sheets. So what's the benefit of doing this? So the first benefit is that it would stay in the cloud and you can access it wherever you want. And the second thing is that it serves the same purpose as Microsoft Excel. So right now we are in the Google Sheets. You'll have to click on a new blank one to make a new Excel sheet or the Google Sheet, and here you can just come back to the tab and you can copy this whole, and then you go to your Google Sheets and here you can paste it. So it would keep on making a central repository of all the work that you have done. So even in future, if someone asks you about the task that you were delegated, you could have a complete record of it, and that too in a presentable way. So finally guys, I hope that if you have watched it this far, you would have got something useful from this video. So do give this video a like and also subscribe if you are a new viewer, and also turn on the bell notification because you might miss my videos, and the bell notification is the only way by which I could provide you my content about getting more productive and saving your time. So I'll hopefully see you in the next video.